everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a brand new box on my channel, Nadine West. I seen this bag unboxed on some channels, so I thought I would give it a try. It does not have a styling fee. It has a shipping fee, which is somewhere around $9, $10, somewhere in that. And then that gets taken off of anything that you buy in your bag. So Nadine West is a more affordable to such as Fashion or Stitch Fix. So their items range between $10 and $30. And from what I understand, they have clothing and accessories. They pick the amount that you can be sent. So like I looked at mine already to check it. It has 5 items in the bag. I may get 14 items in the bag next time. There is no, there's no set number of items that you get, and you do not get a discount for buying the whole bag. So you're already getting a discount. Like I said, it's more affordable, more budget friendly. I've never seen any of the items in person yet, so that's what I'm excited to see. Are these items that I'm gonna want to look at, try on, keep, especially keep, right? So I'm gonna give it a try. This is my first try with this bag, and let's hope that I find something that I love. So with Nadine West, I told you got a set amount of items, whatever they send you. This pink bag is what everything goes back into when you send it back. So I wasn't sure exactly how long I had to try on these items. I just got this one, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. But it says that it's due back by April 5th. So it seems like you have like a week to get everything back, unless that's just due to, you know, the world at this time, what's going on. So maybe they're extending their time frame on when you have things back. So you do have to be careful opening your bag, because the bag goes back just like this. I'm gonna open it up, see what I get inside. It's in a nice little pink bundle. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Okay, first item. I'm just gonna kind of show you the items, and then we're gonna try them on. And then you can tell me what you think of them after I try them on. So this looks like a tunic shirt. It is very flowy. Hopefully I'm not sitting too close that you can see this. And it has like the cutouts on the back. That's really cute. And it has kind of like flutter sleeves. So I like that one. It's a piece of jewelry. These are like a high-waisted jogger pant. So they do have pockets. They are cuffed at the bottom, and they are navy and white, and it might be another color in there with it. So these are like stretch, which is really good for me. Okay, the next item. I can already tell this is gonna be too small on my waist. So I've had a lot of surgeries. I suffer from chronic pain, and everything in the waist, even though it's stretchy, has to be really loose up in here because I have a lot of scars. So these are really cute though. They have front pockets. They are a skinny. I don't know if these would be more like an exercise trouser pant. It's got the little piping on the pockets too. You see that? Or if they're more of a pant. but there's pockets in the back also. So I will try those on. Not 100% sure how they're gonna fit though. But you don't know how anything's gonna fit, right? That's why you got a stylist for. Okay, so this is like a navy blue. Figure it out before. Okay, so the tag's in the back. So it's another little t-shirt, but it has a crisscross in the front. And it has the little flutter sleeves. That's also very flowy and very stretchy. So we'll try that on with the navy pants. See how that looks. And there's a little bag of jewelry. Pull this out. Oh, I think this is a bracelet. See? All the little, the beads and the chain. So we'll try that on too. Okay, so let's get to the try on. Okay, the first item is this navy crisscross top. It's too low. At first I thought the crisscross went in the back, but then the tag's in the back. So I don't know. So otherwise, if it wasn't so low and such a big crisscross, it would probably be really cute. Here we go, this is the back. It's really flowy. And the front, so you could just front tuck this. Because the little pants have a tie waist to them. Okay, here is the little pants. They have some striping and cuff around the bottom, tie waist. They are a little tight on my waist. As I had said before, I can only wear certain kinds of pants because I have scarring all the way down my body, and it hurts to have anything that's tight on it. So these might be everybody else's regular normal fit, but it's too much for me. So, but they are cute. I like the material that they're made of. They're very soft. There are no pockets in the back. And the top goes really cute with them. I just think the top is a little bit too low for me. So let's try the next one. Okay, here's the black t-shirt. It has a rounded hem, and the front and the back are both very long, so it goes up on the sides. It does have this little design in the back. Not sure how far down it goes. I can't tell. I got a regular bra on right now. But I think it's really cute and it's comfortable. I think it's a size medium. After I'm done doing my try on, I will tell you exactly what the sizes are and how much each of them are. So I do like this one. Here it is tucked in the front. I left the back out. It's pretty cute. I do like this. I think it's really comfortable. Of course, it's airy because of the back. But I think that's nice, especially when it's going to be really warm. Okay, so I left the black t-shirt on. It's short sleeve. It fits pretty good. I got the front of it tucked in my jeans right now. The back of it's long and it has the cutouts. I'm going to tell you what it says about this one. $24.49. It is the Haley top in size medium. So this one's $24.99. The next item are these striped pants. They were comfortable. They have side pockets. They are, they are red, white, and blue, so it'd be great in July, right? So stretchy tie, has cuffs at the bottom. They are cute, but they are a little bit too tight on my waist, and I'm very particular about pants and how they fit. So let me give you a little bit of information on that one. Okay, these are $24.19. They are called the Curly Jogger in size medium. So these will be going back. Okay, you did not see me try these on. They are very cute, but they are snug. I cannot wear anything that's compression, and I think this is like a compression pant, but it has the little pockets in the front with the detailing near the pockets. It does have functioning back pockets here. Let me get to it real quick, like right here, there's functioning back. It is a very skinny leg, so they are tight. I don't know if these are for like workout, maybe, but they're way too snug and they hurt. So I didn't even try them on. I took them off and I just couldn't do it. So that pair right there is called, those are $32.99. They are called the Stacy Skinny in medium. Okay, this is the navy shirt that has the lattice type in the front. Now I have a couple shirts like this, but they're not this low. If you don't mind it being that low and wearing maybe a tank underneath of it, but it does have like a short sleeve. It has the lattice. At the very top, it has like a gold ring, but that was hitting me like way up here. But it is very flowy, and I thought it was cute. If it didn't have, you know, it was like down here and I'm more like here. So that'll have to go back also. This one, that one is called, what is $25.99. It is called the Golden Days crisscross front top in a size medium. And there was one more item, and this is the bracelet. I think it's cute, but a lot of times my arms are very tiny. I have tiny wrists, and it will never sit right. If I try to put it up here where all the beads are, it's just gonna flip around and it's not gonna sit right, but it's really pretty. Let me tell you what that one is, okay? That one is $14.19. It's the Amanda bracelet, and it looks like it's silver with pearl details. So that's all 5 items that I got from this box. I think the only thing that I will be getting is this t-shirt here. I like this one. It's very open in the back and it's very airy, especially when we're walking around in the heat at the beach or something. And so I think I'll do good. I might have weird tan lines, but you know, that's okay. So this is my first Nadine West box. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it in the rotation of boxes at this point. I may give it one more try. I have seen a lot of people get, you know, 10 items in their box to try on. There is only 5 items in this box to start with, and I've only found 1 item that I actually like or would wear. So we may try it again. It's like $10 for shipping. The $10 will come off of the shirt that I'm wearing, which will make it like $14, I think, $14.99 maybe for the shirt. And so we'll see. Tell me what you guys think. Did you like any of the items that I had on? What do you think about the black shirt that I want to keep? I don't know. So like I said, this is my first time trying them, and you know, the first time is not always the best time, and maybe I'll have better luck with the next bag. I am gonna send the stylist a note. I would really like to get more jewelry pieces. I like statement necklaces and, you know, the big earrings. I like that kind of thing. I like tank tops and I like short sleeve tops. I love the back of the shirt. And I like crisscross, but that's way too low and I'm not comfortable with that. So I do like some kinds of dresses, and of course I do like pants. but I always have to go up a size in a pull-on type pant for it to be able to fit in the waist where it's comfortable. So we'll try it. You never know. I'm glad that I did do my first try with them. I'm gonna probably look into them a little bit more and see what they have to offer for, you know, discount codes. I will find that out. I will put everything in the description below. So I will put my link to Nadine West in the description box below, and I will put in a little bit of information about them. I do see people get a lot of items that they're happy with, and I have seen some that feel that maybe the prices have been going up with some of their items, which, you know, that's what happens. Prices do go up. But if they get to a point where they're at the same price as a competitor that has a better quality of clothing, then, you know, I would go with the quality of the clothing more than I would with the cheaper of the price. You know, that's what I like. But I hear basics. Everybody says you can get basics here at an affordable price, and jewelry especially at an affordable price. So I think I will give them one more try, maybe next month, and see maybe if I can get some more items, more jewelry items, more items towards what I'm looking for. So, okay. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back and watching my content. I appreciate it. I have lots of videos going to be coming out this week. I think I have about 6. I'm going to be finishing off a weekly vlog and have lots of goodies in that also. So I hope you will come back and see what I have to offer you. For those of you who do not subscribe to my channel yet, I am a channel that does travel, lifestyle, reviews, and subscription boxes, and weekly vlogs. If that sounds interesting to you, please come back and visit, or push the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell so you know when I'm back on. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.